Playgrounds should be places where children can learn, move, socialize, and play safely. But safety doesn't happen by accident. It requires thoughtful planning, proper maintenance, and consistent supervision. In this video, we'll explore how playground safety standards help schools reduce risk and protect students every day. Playground safety standards provide schools with important guidelines for creating safer play environments. These standards help identify potential hazards, improve equipment safety, and reduce preventable injuries. When schools follow recognized safety practices, they create spaces where students can play with greater confidence and security. Many playground injuries are preventable. Hazards such as damaged equipment, worn surfacing, or unsafe conditions can often be identified before an injury occurs. Regular inspections and proactive maintenance allow schools to address concerns early and reduce unnecessary risk on the playground. Some of the most common playground hazards include improper surfacing, broken equipment, exposed hardware or materials, and unsafe spacing between structures. Even small issues can create serious safety concerns if they go unnoticed. Identifying these risks early is an important part of maintaining a safe play environment. Falls are one of the leading causes of playground injuries. That's why proper safety surfacing is so important. Materials such as engineered wood fiber, rubber surfacing, or other approved impact-absorbing materials can help reduce the severity of injuries when falls occur. Maintaining adequate depth and coverage is essential. Routine inspections help schools stay ahead of potential problems. Weather, heavy use, and normal wear can all affect playground safety over time. Regular inspections allow staff to identify hazards, document concerns, and make repairs before small issues become a larger safety risk. Supervision is one of the most important parts of playground safety. Effective supervision means more than simply being present. Staff should actively move throughout the play area, maintain visibility, monitor student behavior, and respond quickly when concerns arise. Active supervision helps prevent injuries and improves student behavior. Students also play an important role in playground safety. Teaching students playground expectations, safe play behaviors, and how to report hazards encourages responsibility and awareness. When students understand safety expectations, they become active participants in creating a safer school environment. Playgrounds are constantly exposed to weather, sunlight, moisture, and heavy daily use. Over time, these factors can affect equipment and surfacing conditions. Ongoing maintenance and regular attention are essential to keeping playgrounds safe, functional, and ready for student use throughout the year. The safest schools focus on prevention rather than reaction. Building a culture of safety means creating systems for inspections, supervision, maintenance, and staff training. When safety becomes part of the school culture, schools are better prepared to reduce risks and protect students. Better standards lead to safer playgrounds. Through careful planning, active supervision, regular inspections, and ongoing maintenance, schools can create safer play environments for every child. To learn more, visit peacefulplaygrounds.com and explore the full article by Dr. Melinda Bossenmeyer on the featured articles page. We do offer playground supervision options, such as our playground supervision training for elementary schools, our early education supervision training, as well as our playground supervision guidebook. This article was written by Dr. Melinda Bossenmeyer, playground safety expert. Please visit peacefulplaygrounds.com.